Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today it's an unboxing of another cube that I ordered. 2-day shipping. It's actually pretty good. Check out Amazon Prime. And shout out to BeastlyWolf979. So let's check what's in here. So first thing, we got a really baggy. Says good play. So yeah, pretty good bag. And then guess we got a cube. Gold on your shell. Okay. I think that's. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that is. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. So let's get into the cube. So this cube was like, it was okay. Like the price, it was a little pricey. So here's the pamphlet. You guys probably know what a pamphlet is. So we get into the cube. So here it is. So yeah, let's open this. They taped this really good. Let me try to open it from this side. Okay. So here's the cube itself. So, okay, so here it is. Pretty. It's okay, so. Oh, it's sandy. First thoughts, this is probably gonna be my main. Not because it's the new. This is that I have, it's because it's really controllable for me. Yep. Yeah. So let's check it on the checkerboard. Here it is in checkerboard. Look at all the colors. I might just get these two mixed up, but that's okay. So yeah. Here's the Gogon UA shell.
Can you please come in here? Because if you don't, they're not gonna.
It's really hollow inside.
Simple solution. Let's go, boys. Who's showering first? Jacob Brody. Brody James.
So,
Here, Jake. Come here, Jake.
you guys, I really recommend this. It's not a budget cube. I'll tell you that. Let's just try this. Let's try the cube bag. Let me just put it in here.
I'll bathe him, you bathe the other one. It's hard doing both.
I know.
This I'll be 10 like I'm on a flight and you're like, oh, I want a cube. Just take it out. So. So here's the Gogon UA shell. It's a really good cube, I would say. Like, so yeah, here's the Gogon UA shell. Please enjoy. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.
You got sweaty balls.
So, yeah. See you guys later. If you guys enjoyed, if you did, be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to BeastlyWolf9879, and I'll talk to you.
Subscribe to Carrot Head.
Who? Carrot Head?
Carrot.
Yeah, who that?
I don't know. I said it.
Yeah, so sorry if that cube's really out of right. So yeah, here it is. It's a really good cube. So thumbs up for me. Alright, switch to the camera. Okay, so here it is. The wrapping is pretty good. Gogon, keep up the good work. So hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye.